welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne as he go ahead and review or he plays Marcia's tape. Now, this is about Miss D, and it's just some little things that Marcia is talking about. So go ahead and catch the video to see exactly what she's saying, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And the memberships are available. You can just go ahead and get your memberships. Thank you.
We can't tell her that. Whether business or anything. Me drive man, me chat to man a yard who can pick me from the airport and carry me go places nice, I mean I have to pay for one nothing. She said she don't want to confusion. She don't want no confusion with anybody on social media. So, Miss, if you are a fan of Court King,
I don't want no one to curse me.
She's actually if you could just remove her picture because she don't want no confusion with anyone on social media. Yes. I am not jealous of 99.
Yes, sir.
It's the next year difference. For me, I'm not in a mix up with nobody, so I talk my mind from now. I am not jealous of 99. I just want to make that clear. There is nothing that she can have that I can do. And I wish her all the best and all the happiness, because it's somebody who grew up in the ghetto. You understand me? And somebody's a country girl or town girl or whatever it is, and she get the opportunity to be what she is on social media. That is good for her. She's a role model to the people in a ghetto, but she's not a role model for me, because I live in America. You understand? So, and to show that she come out and she show her perseverance and she do whatever she do. Because, I mean, people, when you come to base what I've analyzed with her and her programs, is not because of herself, why people just take into her, is because of the people. So she so thank the people them that came into her program, that she was able to assist it and help them. So overall, she showed the vulnerabilities of the people. She take them out of a dark place and put them into light. And as a humanitarian with people, individuals, we love to know when people can assist people.
And so
and as a fluffy girl living at the ghetto, and see that she take her time out and walk up and down and whatever it is. And she the way she speak or whatever, people get into like her. And nothing else. And we are human beings, we have a way, but I mean you can't come up and say people jealous. In what way? Why would I be jealous? What does she have that I don't have? I mean, there is stuff that I have that she doesn't have. So me don't know. I don't know the difference. Coco, me not understand you come and jump up on me like that, you know. Me there's nothing. I don't understand. Me not understand how no people come and talk about people are jealous of people. We don't need to stop it. Yeah, she said, okay, she said you take it off. Yeah, all right. Don't put up nobody picture where you do blogging for social media, because it's going to cause confusion. Because people are going to think say you, whether they name them or say you make fake page. And they all know that people make fake page. People all make fake page with my name, you know. Marcia, ever bless, you know. Call me, I can name, put up my picture, you know, and grow and make trouble for social media, you know. With my picture, you know, I put on all kind of name, really cute me. Cockeye, big belly, pumpkin, banana, yam, and then put up my picture and then grow and really cute me. I think so them I do a fabulous job. And then go on pages and then make fun of me and laugh. I'm like, look at that. Yes, man, they make it. Then go up on their favorite blogger page and then make pictures. Them take me pictures and make name of me. And I'm like, look at that. Look at those things. Eh? Look at that. I mean, look. I mean, and these are grown-ass people, you know. But you know, those people are very unhappy. They ain't going nowhere. They're very, very, very unhappy. And so, me want to ride out the new year. Because the new year coming, I remember now, no. Me only attack, don't get it off of my chest. Me just break things down. Because the new year soon come. December is around the corner. How when the new year come, as God has no witness, me not sin none of no. Me not ask no. Me not sin none of no. So me just talk out my mind right now to tell you the truth. Me not have nothing against her, but me not respect her no more. Me not hate her, but I don't have no respect for her. So me just get out of my head right now. I have no respect for her. None whatsoever I have for her at this present moment in my life. She's not a woman role model. Basically, our self-esteem is very low, as far as I'm concerned. By analyzing her